Here we have the BMW Continuum Weight Distribution Hitch. Let's look at some of the features that makes this product so unique. The first thing you'll notice is that this load bar assembly doesn't look like anything you've ever seen before. We've designed this to be a one-piece unit that attaches to the trailer at one point and to the weight distribution head at one point. This makes for very easy connecting and disconnecting, and also very safe connecting and disconnecting, because unlike traditional spring bars where you have to use a tool to lift against the spring pressure up into the carriers on the side of the trailer, we use hydraulic pressure. In fact, I'll go ahead and show you how that works. You simply open the hydraulic valve on the pump, and that releases the pressure from the unit. Press all the way down so that the cylinder is extended. You got a little release lever here on the driver's side, 1 point. Lift up on that, take the unit off, so this can be stored right on the trailer when you're not using it. Reconnecting the system is very simple. Just lift it up, snap it back into the head, and then you'll add pressure by using the hydraulic system. You also notice that this bar is very short, and we've been able to achieve something very unique here with LITEFLEX composite technology. These bars are just as strong, if not better than steel, because this will let us achieve a tongue weight range of 600 pounds to 1,600 pounds using the same bar assembly. So if you decide to upgrade your trailer or downgrade, you can continue to use this same weight distribution hitch regardless of the trailer you're pulling, as long as it's within that tongue weight range. So it could be the last weight distribution hitch you buy.